everyone, and this is how to make a paper boat. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. So, you're going to want to have it like this and fold it in half. Make a nice crease. You're going to fold it in half again. Like that. Just like so. So you're going to have it like that. Fold it in half. Make a nice crease. You're going to open it back up, and then since that, you're going to fold it down from the corner. Try and get it as on the line, like that. And you're going to do the same on the other side. You're going to go like that. Fold it so it's like that. Same on the other side. Just like that. Fold them down like that. Make a nice good crease. You want them to stay like that. Then, you see, now we have two flaps. One like that, one there. You're going to get the first one flap. You're going to fold that flap up like so. Turn it around. Close these little corners sticking out. And then you get this bit and fold those corners upwards like this. Sorry, wrong side. Like that. Same on the other side. Like that. And now you're going to fold that thing up. You're going to have it, should look like that. You're going to fold it up like so. And then you're going to open that up. You're going to open this up like this. Like you're trying to make a hat, like that. That's how you can make a hat, but we're trying to make a paper boat. So you're going to have it open like this. You're going to open it far up, like this. Open it, pull it to the sides, and then press down on the roof and shut it. Should look something like this. This could be a quack, 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 quack. Could be like a duck's mouth, something. And then you're gonna. Now we have two sides. One here and one here. You're gonna fold this side down. You fold it down like this. Down. Make a fold. And repeat the same exact thing on the other side. It's better to do it on like a table or like a hard surface than like that. So should have been like that. Fold them both. So now it should look like this. Like another small hat. Now you're going to do the same that you've done to it before. You're going to open it up like that and push down to close it. Then you get this. You're going to hold these edges right here and pull them apart. Like so. Like that. You're going to pull them. I'll show you one more time. I'm going to hold them like that. Slowly and pull. And then you can make a fold there. And that's your paper boat. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps me out a lot. Thanks guys. Bye.